Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring core tools are ready. Install Node, JS and Java, then Appium globally so the server is available. Once done, set Android Home and Java Home environment variables and add platform tools to your path so a DB works from any shell. Plug in your phone or boot an emulator and run a DB devices. Confirm a device ID appears. This step matters because Appium needs a reachable device and correct toolchain. It saves debugging time later. You now define the desired capabilities that tell Appium what to automate and why: platform name, device name, and either an app/, IPA or app package with app activity. Then choose automation name, UI Automator 2 for Android, XGUI test for iOS, and configure implicit wait and new command timeout to avoid flakiness. Start the Appium server and use your language client to create a remote WebDriver session. The returned session ID confirms you run test actions using reliable locators, accessibility ID when possible, versus XPath, which can be brittle, and sequence taps, swipes, and assertions. Once tests finish, always quit the session to free device resources and capture a screenshot plus Appium logs on failures for root cause analysis. If something goes wrong, first review Appium server output, then a DB logcat, and ensure your SDK and automation name versions match the device. Mismatched components cause most session and element lookup errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.